We have an 8th class girl who's studying in DPS. Your name?
Priyamvida.
So can you explain Sri Ramayan in your style?
Okay, so basically, Ram had to go for a vanvas for 14 years because the queen wanted her son to be the king and not Ram. So Ram, Lakshman, and Sita went to the forest for 14 years. Then Ram and Lakshman had gone for hunting. So Lakshman drew a Lakshman Rekha around Sita to keep her safe and told her not to cross that. But she saw a beautiful deer, so she went to chase that deer and she went after the deer. But it happened to be Ravan, who was the devil of Sri Lanka, like the king of Sri Lanka actually, but he was evil as per Hindu scriptures. So when Ram and Lakshman came back and didn't see Sita, they obviously went to search for her. They Vanar Sena and Hanuman built the Ram Setu to cross from Tamil Nadu in Rameshwaram to Sri Lanka. They went there. They were trying to defeat Ravan, but they weren't able to. Then Ravan's brother betrayed him and told them that they had to shoot the arrow to his navel. When they did that, they were able to defeat Ravan and get Sita safely. So when they returned to Ayodhya, all the villagers celebrated by lighting diyas and candles, lanterns. That's why Diwali is celebrated and called the Festival of Lights.
How did you know this, like from serial or book, or your nanny told you?
My grandmother told me.
Thank you so much. Can you tell something to our viewers that by knowing all this, how it would be useful in their daily life?
See, according to me, religion is like a faith. So, if there are some facts that are proven religion, it's easier to believe in it and it's easier to have faith in it because Ramayana is proved to be true. So, when there is some proof and there is some scientific logic to it, it's easier to have proper faith in it rather than blindly believing it. So, I feel knowing this is better for both religion and science.
Thank you so much. Thank you.